My name is Neto Raymond. I work in Dubai as a salesman. Now my question is just on fasting. I just want to know how somebody can control himself by fasting from morning up to in the evening. We know very well that Jesus himself fasted for 40 days. And yet you say that Muslims are more Christians than Christians themselves.
We're asking the question that Muslims, we fast from dawn to sunset, and Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, fasted for 40 days. You say that. 40 days. There is no mention of Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, fasting for 40 days in the Quran. And even the Christians, when they fast, they don't fast like the Muslims do. They have a different sort of fasting, depending on which sect you belong to. Some sect for fasting is not having non-veg. Some sect they have only boiled food. So there are different sects in Christianity which fast in different ways. I don't know of any sect in Christianity which fast for 40 days. If they fast, they may have, no non-veg, only vegetables, that's their type of fasting. Some fasting is only having boiled food, that's their fasting. There are different types in different sects, but I don't know of any sects in Christianity which fast like the Muslims, or neither like they fast for 40 days continuously, like the way you're saying. Hope that answers the question, brother.